Welcome! The Eldorado Celtas are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
On the navigation bar, you will go to CalPADS TOMS and select CalPADS Transactions. This screen will default to reportable transactions. As you audit these transactions before generating a report, you may find one that should not be reported to CalPADS. If that is the case, you will click the DNR icon and input a comment explaining why the transaction will not be reported. Click Save. The transaction will leave the list. Once it leaves the reportable transactions list, you can locate it by changing the drop-down menu to Transactions marked Do Not Report.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of Eldorado CELPAS, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.